2NURFM 103.7. It is that time of the fortnight where we catch up with our chef Gavin Forman, who's just been sitting back, relaxing and enjoying Richard Marx. I know you're a big fan.
Huge fan.
Mate, this is always a time for me. I always look to these Mondays with fear and trepidation until I find out exactly what you're making. And today I've been let off kind of scot-free as well. Your recipe, sir, for banana bread.
Yes. Slightly different.
Slightly different, okay.
So I've used buttermilk.
Oh, love the sound of that.
So buttermilk's got that light texture.
Yes.
Makes it all nice and light and fluffy and helps it keep moist. I also, note with the recipe on the website, I threw some raw peanuts in there and I put a squeeze of honey just to make it a little bit different.
Well, let's just get into this straight away and then we can talk a little bit about it.
Lots of butter. But this is psychology on Mark Rourke number 3.0.
All right.
Because bananas are cold.
Mm-hmm.
So you're now eating a cold fruit hot. That's still acceptable?
Yeah, look, it's fine though. That's not in its traditional state. It's been mashed up and put into, in this case, a bread.
Okay. So
But
diving into your psychology is really quite dangerous for me.
Well, I wouldn't just sort of put a banana in the oven or something. And
Would you have banana on toast?
A cold mashed banana on toast, absolutely.
You're just an enigma.
Why?
Because why? Oh no, let's not. Don't get me fired up about the pumpkins again.
So banana bread. Look,
everybody's got a recipe
love
for
it.
banana bread. Mine's slightly different. I like the brown sugar. I like the texture of the brown sugar. I like the way it keeps it moist. I like the buttermilk that keeps it nice and light and fluffy. And the peanuts, you can use walnuts in there as well, or pistachios, whatever you like, to give it a bit of a crunch. And I didn't even weigh them. I just threw a handful in.
That looks
It
about
was just
right.
like,
In you go.
But the secret with banana bread is when you bake it, it has to be wet. It can't be dough-like. It has to be more cake mixture-like. If it's dough-like, you're going to get a terrible dry bread, and you need that cake mixture.
Yeah, that wouldn't go down too well with the banana bits being like that, would it? But
No.
that sounds pretty good.
It's fairly tense because the bananas are fairly dense.
But again, it's still a light thing to eat, though. It's like, which is a bit of a
Balancing act.
A bit of a balancing act to get that right.
The buttermilk's really good for that. So there's only one egg in that whole loaf.
Oh, really? Just the one?
One egg, and there was half a cup of buttermilk.
All right, so down one bit, I'll have the rest once you go. So
You're not sharing today?
No. We only share the meals that
You don't like.
Yeah, so if you bring in an oyster meal, for example.
We've done that.
Yeah, done that. As an example, we'll just put it there. They look really nice, and everyone else can have one. We're moving on, just leaving the bread aside for a moment, just a quick look at what's happening in the hospitality scene across the Hunter, because we've gone right from the very lowest of the low.
Yep.
Are we getting enough people back out? Do you feel that most people, now that a lot of the mask stuff has gone,
Yep,
a lot of the things have gone, we're happy to be out and about again?
Yes, very much so. You can see, I can track it through the amount of people who come through the door. And it has jumped markedly. Every 2 weeks I've been coming in here since we ditched the masks, we've jumped another 25%, then another 25%. And we're nearly at full pelt. I'd say Easter time, with some good luck and some good weather, and no other silly COVID stuff, it should go full speed ahead.
Well, fingers crossed that we can see our hospitality sector back and making some money, employing some people and all of that.
More people.
The next time we see you, it will be just a tick out from Easter, so surely we can have something Eastery.
Absolutely, I'll do something Jesus-y.
Something nice and Eastery on the way. As always, it's a pleasure, particularly when he brings in something really nice and yummy.
Yeah.
Our chef, Gavin Forman, mate, thanks for your time. Appreciate it.
Thank you very much. Enjoy.
All right, 2NURFM 103.7.
A broadcast service of the University of Newcastle.